Guys, Tammy here. Back with just a project share. I wanted to show you the gift buckets that I made and just kind of show you what's in each bucket. And then they're not completely packaged yet. I have to still decorate them. But anyway, so this is what the double one looks like. And I use this gift bag wrap thing from the Dollar Tree. So almost everything in here is from the Dollar Tree. There's cookies that are handmade. There's candy that's handmade, and then there's boxes with candy and fudge. The fudge is handmade, and then there's some fruit in the basket, or the bucket. So that's what that one looks like. And then this is the single one. And I was really bummed because once I put the cookies in these plastic bags, they kind of did their own thing, so I'm not sure what happened there, but they're still edible, so I'm just going to leave them in there. But anyway, so that's the single one, and that one has fruit, fudge, chocolate, the Hershey chocolate nuggets, kisses, and then two cookies. Actually, this is a double one too. I already packaged up the double ones. Um, so it has two hot cocoa packets with marshmallows and this candy spoon, and then the handmade caramel, the two cookies, and this one is for my neighbor that has dogs. So it has it has two dog biscuits for each dog. So I got those at Walmart, and my dog will get the rest of them in his stocking for Christmas. So that's that one. And then the single one I showed you over here, but this is a single one too. So it's got the fruit, the kisses in the box, and this box fits 10 kisses. So, and then it's got the nuggets, it's got one packet of hot cocoa, the handmade caramel, and then two cookies each on those. And then these are just some gift baskets or tins I kind of put together per video I saw on Facebook, and I can't remember the lady's name, but she did this like 2 years ago. And so I went to Dollar Tree and just got some Dollar Tree items. I think the only thing not a Dollar Tree item is the orange, and I put a candy cane in there too. So, but I packaged this one up. I just need to put the tag on it, and that's going to my daughter's. Oh, and I did put a cookie in that one. I put a cookie in both of them. But that one's going to my daughter's piano teacher. And then this is one I made. It has two of the snowflake cookies in it. It's got an orange and some biscuits. It's got hot cocoa and a mug, and then some peony. These peony cookies, I think is what they're called, and some chocolate. So those are those. And then I made these two. I haven't decorated them yet. Not sure who they're going to, but they have all different kinds of Hershey Kisses in them. And I saw this idea on Scrap the World's channel, so go check her out and she'll show you how she decorated hers, but I haven't decorated mine yet. I'm still not sure who they're going to. So anyway, that is I'm done. That's my gifts for the year. I think I have to do one more for my daughter's friend because he made her some mango jelly, so now she wants to have me make him something for Christmas. So anyway, my table is a mess, but that is my project share, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. If you would like to be notified when I upload more videos, hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon to the right of that. It's not necessarily for you to hit that, but the subscribe button and the like button would be much appreciated. So I hope you all have a blessed evening and are staying warm and dry, and I will talk to you later.